everyone, so how we can create a GitHub account? It's really easy. We go to the GitHub, search for it. This site is in the top. In any browsers you want, we are going to work with Chrome because I create an account here. I'm going to teach you in this thing that we have here in the Microsoft Edge. You wait a little for this to load. Then after that, go to sign up. And here it wants you to import some of the data. After importing them, you don't need to check this thing. Then press continue and it asks you some puzzles and your account created. You come here. In the here, it's the first thing you come friendly with when you create your GitHub. You also can optimize your profiles here. And you have your repositories here and many things you have here. You can use your issues, create everything. But this is the first thing you are going to introduce with when you create your GitHub repository. And also it's using Copilot because it's one of the Microsoft companies sites, and it's using the Copilot AI in it. And after creating that, I want you to don't do anything. Your account has been created. You can also explore a little, but don't change the settings. We are going to learn about the settings in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice time.